Peekaboo. Do it again. Say hi. What's the matter? Got something in your eye?
Peekaboo.
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 What? You alright, Riker? Yeah?
I think it's something in his eye. You have something in your eye?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it out?
But come down here.
Wake up, Quinn! Riker's here. Come here. Up! 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 He's a parrot.
Hey Mason, what are you doing?
Hopping. Ah!
Ah! Ah!
You get me?
He find you. Are you under the bed?
Yeah.
It's pretty dirty under there.
Yeah.
Hey.